How to make a QR code for e-commerce. When it comes to selling products online, which types of QR codes should you be using? Most e-commerce brands struggle with one thing, turning their first-time buyers into repeat customers. That's where QR codes come in. They connect your packaging and products directly to your online store. They build trust, drive reviews, and bring buyers back again and again. Whether you're running a Shopify store, selling on Amazon, or growing a beauty or any other e-com brand, QR codes give you the edge. Almost 1,000 e-com brands use our QR codes every day. So let me show you how they use QR codes, what's working and what isn't. Here's the problem. Selling online is tough. You fight for every click, you pay for ads, you push discounts, and when you finally get a customer, what happens? Too often, it's just a one-off sale. They buy once, they disappear, and you're left chasing the next lead. Acquisition is expensive, retention is everything, and QR codes help you win retention. So, which QR codes are e-commerce brands really creating, and how are they using them? Our data shows it clearly. Over 90% are link QR codes. The rest is B-card, PDF, and video QR codes. Each of these play a unique role for e-commerce and products. Let me break it down for you. Link QR codes are by far the main use case at over 90%, and it does make sense why. Brands put them on packaging, inserts, receipts, and product labels. One scan takes the customer straight back to the online store. No searching, no distractions, they get instant access. E-commerce stores use them for discount landing pages. Beauty brands use them for loyalty programs. Fashion stores use them for new collection drops. Shopify and Amazon sellers use them for upsells and cross-sells. Point is, you can link to any page online. Every scan is a chance to bring the customer back, and every scan is tracked. There's also a special type of link QR code just for reviews. You can place it on packaging, inserts, or receipts and send customers directly to leave feedback on Amazon, Shopify, or wherever you want to collect your reviews. Brands even use small incentives like discounts or loyalty points to boost scans and get more reviews. And you're not limited to text. Customers can scan your code and leave video reviews as well, which is an incredible way to build trust. This turns many happy buyers into social proof and pushes your brand's sales for the next customers. Next up, we have B-card QR codes. Not the most common, but very powerful when used right. Imagine your customer scans and instantly saves your contact. No more digging through emails, no more searching your site. This makes post-purchase support frictionless. It shows customers you care, and it reduces refund requests, negative reviews, all of that. PDF QR codes are used in a very specific case, and they solve a big problem. Think about product manuals, ingredient lists, or setup guides. Instead of just stuffing paper into a box, you add a QR code. Customers scan and get the digital file. It's cheaper for you, eco-friendly, and you can update the file at any time without reprinting the QR codes. Finally, we have video QR codes, incredibly effective for certain use cases. Imagine seeing a skincare product and seeing a tutorial when scanning the QR code. Or you have a supplement product and you're watching an athlete explain it. This builds trust, boosts engagement, and makes your product stand out. Here's a real example. A beauty brand ships a skincare product. On the box, they add a QR code. The scan leads to a video tutorial showing how to use the product for best results. Customers trust the brand more. They see real results, they see reviews, and they come back to buy again. The same code also tracks scans. The brand knows exactly how many people engaged. That's real data driving smarter marketing. Now, let's look at an online store selling fitness gear. In each box, they include a small card with a QR code. The scan leads to an upsell landing page. Buy the resistance bands, get a discount on the yoga mat. It turns one purchase into two. It builds customer lifetime value, and it costs nothing extra once the code is on the card. Here are some common mistakes e-commerce brands make. Of course, not every brand uses QR codes correctly. Here's the first mistake: using free static QR codes. While they are free and cheap, they cannot be updated after printing, they cannot be tracked, and they often look unprofessional because they don't have a short code and the link can get lengthy and bulky. Second mistake: sending customers to generic home pages. Don't waste the scan, send them to a targeted landing page with a discount, tutorial, or something valuable. Mistake 3: hiding the code. If it's tiny and invisible, no one will scan. Add a call to action, like scan here for a discount, scan to learn more. That's how you drive engagement. So let's recap. QR codes help beauty and fashion brands build loyalty. They help online stores drive repeat sales. They help Shopify and Amazon sellers grow with upsells and reviews. Every scan builds trust. Every scan builds data. And every scan builds revenue. PageLoop makes this even more powerful. With features built for e-com brands, you can add UTM links for every QR code for campaign tracking, share a public stats link so your team or suppliers can see performance, connect QR scans directly to Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel for retargeting and ads. Bulk create QR codes for products and packaging at scale. Use our white label domain so your QR codes stay on brand. These tools turn simple QR codes into a full e-commerce growth system. If you run an e-commerce store and you're not using QR codes yet, you're leaving money on the table. PageLoop makes it easy. You can create dynamic QR codes in under 30 seconds, update them anytime, track every scan, and design them to fit your brand. It's free to get started. Try it out today. Links in the description. Let's turn your packaging into a growth channel and start turning one-time buyers into loyal, repeat customers.